everybody. Hello, JP. How are you?
Very good. How are you doing, Shamgam?
Wonderful.
Shamgam, was thinking that, when you look at the PLD data,
Yeah.
and how can we improve, enhance the data using, you think we can use something like Medicare to improve the data?
Absolutely. Yeah. There's Medicare Part B if the drug is actually on the IV side, and if it's on the pharmacy benefit, which is an oral, then we could use Part D.
Yeah, I was thinking that if we look at the doctors, there may be doctors in Medicare that do not appear in the PLD data. Do you think we would find those?
That is absolutely true. Yeah, we have, because they reported at the NPI level, we can absolutely do an overlap analysis and see what the vendor is missing that Medicare is reporting.
Okay. So a second idea is kind of connected with the first one. For those physicians that appear both in the PLD vendor and in Medicare, so in the overlap one,
correct,
it may be the case that Medicare is reporting more claims than what the PLD vendor is doing.
Yes. Yeah, that is another level of addition as well. And you know what? Let me give you an example. We actually worked on with an oncology product.
You have that?
Yeah, we did have an example.
Let's go.
Okay, so here's the example that I was talking about, JP.
What are we looking at here?
So here we actually created this Venn diagram. We wanted to see how much the PLD vendor captures and how much the Medicare is reporting for the same year and for the same drug.
Okay.
I know we applied the Medicare payer filter as well on the PLD side.
Yeah. So you have apples to apples comparison.
Yeah. So
and then Medicare, you have both the PDP and MAPD.
PDP and MAPD.
Okay, cool,
You're absolutely right. Thanks for bringing it up. So here, if we see, there's so many 1,137 physicians from the PLD side, and the 330.
The 1,037, they appear only in the PLD.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
And then 335, they appear only in Medicare.
Right. And the counterpart is there are 335 new physicians that Medicare is saying that the PLD vendor completely missed.
So that's the first thing that we were talking about. Those, if you add back those 335 to the universe of the PLD vendor, you'll be boosting the number of physicians captured in PLD, which the data vendor is not doing today.
Exactly. Yeah. This itself would be almost a 20% increase, right? And I'll show the numbers backing it up. And also, I know you were saying for where the same physician is being captured both from the PLD and the Medicare side, we will actually see more claims from the Medicare as well.
So in the 353, I guess there would be two cases, right? There may be cases where the PLD is having more.
Yeah.
And then the case where the PLD is having less.
Correct.
So when the PLD has less, maybe this is the case that are of interest for us to enhance the PLD data, right?
Exactly. Yep.
Okay, cool.
Yes. Let me give you an analysis on how that will look like. Okay. So here, as you can see, there are 335 physicians that the Medicare is reporting, but it doesn't appear in the PLD, right?
Yeah.
So when we add that and the corresponding claims of them, we actually get a 22% boost on the physician.
So both on the physician and the claims, you get about 20% increase.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
For Medicare.
Exactly.
Wow. And that currently the PLD data is not telling us about.
Absolutely. Yeah. Wow. And even for the physicians that they report, that we have as existing physicians, correct? There are 107 of them that the Medicare is reporting more claims. And by how much? It's actually
that's the incremental. That would be the incremental one.
Incremental, right. Of the overlap that was in the middle. And then we get
4%. So basically I should, maybe I cannot add them directly, but we get a little boost.
Yeah, almost 20%. Right?
Yeah. So we get a boost both on kind of physician not reported at all, but even for those that reported, we can kind of a small boost.
Exactly. For the new physicians, we'll get 19% boost in terms of claims, and for the existing, we get 4% boost in terms of claims too.
Well, this is very good.
Awesome. Right. This is how you enhance the incremental physicians and claims.
So, kind of just to quickly summarize here what's happening in Shanmugam. The idea of enhancing the PLD data using Medicare is a good idea.
Yeah, absolutely.
And there are kind of two parts to it. One is because the PLD vendor doesn't report the doctor.
Yeah.
First win. second win for even those that are reported.
Mm-hmm.
They may be underestimating the claims
Exactly.
for as far as Medicare is concerned. So we
Yes.
can kind of up that number.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Shanmugam, that's
Yes.
brilliant, my friend.
Thank you. Yes. Until next time. See you.
Bye.